Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to explain you the drafting part for this ventilation system. As I told you, we have calculated this exhaust flow rate, total exhaust flow rate for all these toilets. So total exhaust flow rate as per our calculation is 188 liter per second. So we are going to design the ventilation ducting in this toilet. So for example, so for this one, for ventilation designing, we require reflected ceiling plan RCP. Okay, because designing is always doing in RCP plan. So you can see this is the RCP for the floor plan. So in this we are going to start the drafting part. So before I start this video, I would like to request you all guys, if you are new on my channel, so please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon as well, so that whenever I upload any video, you will get the notification of my video. So let us start now. So for drafting of any ducting, you need one layout. So this is the layout. Okay, so first of all, what you will do for the layout, you have to make it black. Everything, each and everything should be black. So for this one, you have to go to the layer. Okay, so type la is the nothing but the layer command. So go to the layer and select all, click here any one of the layer, type la. Okay, and click any one layer, control a, and you have to change the color to color number 8. Select and change it, so you can see this all color has been changed. So your drawing should be in black and white. Okay, now we are going to design the ducting here in this gents toilet. So for this one, what I am going to do, I am going to place the diffuser first. So we need the diffuser sizing. Okay, so you can see here the each the T1 toilet one space is the airflow is 13 liter per second. So go to the go to your duct sizer tools. Okay, and or let me calculate here. Go to the new Excel, control N. Okay, and here is your airflow q is equal to 13 liter per second. Okay, so q is equal to 13 liter per second, change into the square feet. So CFM, so 13 into 2.119, it will be 27 or 26, 28 CFM. Okay, this is in CFM. Airflow is in cubic feet per minute. Okay, and velocity, so velocity is taking 500 feet per minute. Okay, so you have to calculate the area. So area is equal to, area should be, so there is one equation here, q is equal to a into v. Okay, so flow rate is equal to area into velocity. So it will be, this is the area. Okay, so from this equation we can simplify this, which is a is equal to q divided by v. Okay, so now you have to multiply this value, the q is equal to 28 and divided by 500, it will be 0.005 square feet. Okay, so this area is in square feet, so you have to change in a square inch. So you have to multiply this into 144. So I am getting here 8 feet, 8 square inch. So I'm getting here 8 square inch. So you have to 8 square inch. Okay, so you have to make the square root here. Okay, 8, so 2. Okay, 2.8 inch, that means 3 inch. So 3 inch is not available. Okay, so you have to go for the 6 inch. Okay, so minimum size will be 6 inch. So I'm going to make here type LA. So you have to make your own layer here. Make a new layer which is TV, toilet ventilation, and exhaust ceiling diffuser. Okay, and here you have to change the color, which will be, for example, I am taking this color, magenta. Okay, click OK. Line is continuous and line type, line weight is 0.15. Okay, and double click to make in current layer. Okay, now we have to create the diffuser. Okay, so we have to create one diffuser here, which is the minimum size of diffuser is 6 inch or 4 inch. So I'm going to create here the diffuser, 4 inch diffuser. So 4 inch is nothing but 100 mm. So type D. Okay, and now you have to specify the length and width, which is equal to here 4 inch. Okay, now what you have to do, just offset this one. Okay, and you have to make the arrow here, which is leader line. So we need to create one leader line here. So for this one you have to go to this annotation tab. Okay, and here is your multi leader. So it will not work. You have to go to this dimension style and modify it. Go to the line, and here is your line weight, line type, and here is your symbol. So symbol you have to change it close field, and leader is also symbol is oblique and leader is close field. Okay, set current and close it. Now take type LE, which is leader. So now you can see this is leader is creating, but this is very big. So again we have to go to the dimension style setting, click on modify, and then arrow size you can change from here, which is 50. Okay, or 80, keep it 80. Click OK and set current, then close. Type LE, which is leader, and just create one leader line here. Move type M, move this one. We set 25, and Type AR, use array command AR, select object, enter, then polar, and then center point of the array. Okay, and then type I, which is item, and number of item is 4 only. Okay, now close the array. Okay, so this is your diffuser which is ready, and just click one line like this. Just select this one like this or like this. You can select all. You have to convert into the block. For example, you can see this is not yet converted into the block, so single object is selected here. Okay, so we need to select all object together. So for this one, we have to convert this into the block. So you have to select this one and type here Control Shift C, click the center point, base point, and Control Shift V. This is the first option to create the block in for any object. Okay, there is another option I will show you. Okay, so now you have to click any one of these here. This is selected. Okay, so just move this one. Okay, type M, select, and from center you have to move in this your drawing. Okay, so here is the WC. So your exhaust diffuser is always above the WC. Okay, so here is you directly above the WC. Now we have to copy this, type CO, and from the center point to each toilet, simply copy this one up to here. Okay, so this four diffuser we are placing here, and here is your wash basin. So for this area is also one required. So for this area we have to copy this one, type CO. CO is nothing but the copy command. So I'm going to copy, select this object, and simply I'm going to copy one more diffuser here. I'm going to move this. I'm going to place this diffuser between this line. Okay, so right click, mid between 2 point. I'm going to select this one, so this will be placed here. Okay, similarly I need two actually, so I'm going to copy this one again from this point to this point. Okay, so this is your diffuser has been placed. Now the next is we have to draw the duct. Okay, so duct routing is very important. So you have to think from where you have to take your duct. So I'm going to show you how we have to take our duct routing. So let us start the duct designing. So I am going to start the duct designing here. We have to place the fan outside. So you have to create one more layer which is TV, toilet ventilation, then exhaust air duct, EAD. Okay, change the color. So I'm going to select this color which is blue. Okay, click and double click to edit, close it, and it is so I'm going to design with polyline. So for the polyline, type PL. Okay, and here is your duct routing. Click the first point, and W is the width of the polyline. So enter the value which is 50. Again enter. So this is your 50, the width of the polyline. Okay, so I'm going to take our duct through this side like this. Okay, and which will be go to outside here. Okay, like this, and connect to this branch. Connect your duct to the branch. Okay, and here is one more. You have to run the duct this side as well. You can extend this duct up to here like this. Okay, and from here this side. Okay, so this is your duct routing. Okay, and where is the fan? So let me check the fan. So this is your fan. I'm going to move this fan as well from this point. Here is your fan. Place it here. So this is your fan. So this is the routing actually. Now we have to convert this into double line drawing in the next video. So I hope you guys learned the very concept for this toilet ventilation system, and fresh air will be given by the air conditioning system. So we are not going to bother about fresh air. We have to just designing the ventilation system here. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.